Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is traditional Dr. Mpho Phakathi. I'm known as Emakhosini. I'm a founder and director of a company called Emakhosini, Ichemise, Sinthu, which is an indigenous traditional pharmacy. What we provide different kinds of products, a different variety of products of home and body care products, such as herbal teas. We've got our bath salts, we've got our body lotions, as you can see here, and we've got products that we use for our home. You know, the main reason this was established in 2016, soon after I graduated as a traditional doctor, because now I've got like over a decade since I was a traditional doctor. And according to my experience, I've seen a lot of problems that are facing our people in terms of health. And going back to our indigenous knowledge system, we realized that what was helping our communities back then was our natural products. So the main reason is for us to go back to our natural ways, for us to use what we have in nature. And one of the things that made us to rise is that COVID-19 really gave us an opening to say, hey, we need to go back and start doing our own things. Hence, we also produced our Bantu range, which it makes it easy for people to start using indigenous medicine and removing the stigma of using it. Because what it does, it helps with mental illness, it helps with our physical health. So this is one of the reasons why we started it. So I've got here one of our products is our bath combo product. This is done for cleansing of your body and your own personal space. And this is our all-purpose cleaner for our home. For home products. Where you can find us on Facebook. That's where we are. We also have an online store that is called Emakhosini.Ichemise, and you order there online. We deliver everywhere in South Africa, wherever you are. So we've made it convenient for you to reach indigenous medicine and make it part of our everyday use. My name is Emakhosini. I'm a township entrepreneur.